Well, here we are, RT Bodysure, and his minis here, all ready to be done up here. It's fully restored here. So you can see quite a few cars in at the moment down there. Bedford motorhome with his old VW automobiles. MG Rovers on there, huh? Go just. The lawnmowers on here. Cylinder mowers, bath. But that's what MGB here. You got a few cars in to be done up, you know. Another Mini over there. All the equipment here. This is Andy and Rob's. Well, another MGB having some work done there. I'm due to go out soon, I do now, on good authority. I think he's the owner of the other red, MGB, which is over there. No brakes at the moment. Oh, RT Bodysure here. MGB there. Look at all Fiat up there as well. Fiat, Bedford, Minis, MGBs. Yeah. All go here. I did our part a bit last week. RT Bodysure.